morning, students. Students, today I am here to discuss a new concept or a new chapter, and the chapter is control and coordination. This is the second chapter of biology of class 10th. Here in this chapter, we have to discuss a lot about various topics or various concepts which are associated with control and coordination of various body organs in respect of environment. So, I am not wasting much more time. I am going to initiate the topic, and while beginning of the topic, I want to share or I want to discuss one topic or one term with you, and I think you are aware with this topic, and the topic is stimuli. Now, what is stimuli? Actually, it is not a biggest question. ठीक है, स्टिमुलाई का मतलब क्या है? स्टिमुलाई is a kind of change which is taking place in the environment. ठीक है, and in response of this stimuli the living organism responds. So what is stimuli? Stimuli means we can say that it's a kind of change either in the internal environment of the living organism or external environment of the living organism. So in another words we can say that the changes in the environment to which living organisms respond are called stimuli. यानी कि environment में आने वाले वो सारे changes जिनके अगेंस्ट कोई लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म अपना रिस्पॉन्स देता है उसे हम कहते हैं कि स्टिमुलाई. नाउ here there are some examples. Heat is one stimuli, cold is one stimuli, sound is one stimuli, smell is one stimuli, taste is stimuli, touch is stimuli, pressure is stimuli, gravity or as well as water is an stimuli. So what is stimuli? Stimuli means any kind of change in the environment of the living organism is called as stimuli. Now if we will talk about them तो we will find out that there are two different types of stimuli. तो stimuli दो तरह के हो सकते हैं. एक होते हैं एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई, एक होते हैं इंटरनल स्टिमुलाई. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्सटर्नल एंड इंटरनल स्टिमुलाई? एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई वो स्टिमुलाई हैं जो किसी भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के एक्सटर्नल मीडियम में आते हैं, उसके सराउंडिंग्स में आते हैं. लाइक हीट ज़्यादा हो गई है, कम हो गया यानी कोल्ड हो गया. साउंड एक स्टिमुलाई हो सकता है, स्मेल एक स्टिमुलाई हो सकता है, टेस्ट है, टच है, प्रेशर है, ग्रेविटी है, वाटर है. ऑल दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई. Now beyond it, I can say that there is one more kind of stimuli is there, and it is called as internal stimuli. And what is internal stimuli? Internal stimuli means जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी के अंदर से जो स्टिमुलाई आते हैं, जो चेंजेस आते हैं उसकी बॉडी के अंदर. सो वी कैन से दैट इट दीज आर ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स. लाइक हंगर एक इंटरनल स्टिमुलाई है जिसके अगेंस्ट कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या करता है, रिस्पॉन्ड करता है. सिमिलरली आपका थ्रस्ट एक स्टिमुलाई है जो अंदर से निकल के आता है. ठीक है, और लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या करता है, रिस्पॉन्ड करता है. सिमिलरली वी कैन से दैट सेक्स डिजायर इज़ वन मोर इंटरनल स्टिमुलाई. ठीक है, अगेंस्ट इट द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रिस्पॉन्स. ठीक है, so what is stimuli? I think this is clear enough that any kind of change either in the internal or as well as the external environment of the living organism is called stimuli. Now as the topic's name is or as the chapter's name is control and coordination. Now I am coming to the next point, coordination. Now what is coordination? Coordination का मतलब है साथ साथ मिल करके काम करना. ठीक है, साथ साथ मिल करके काम करना. इसी को अगर मैं हिंदी ट्रांसलेट करूँ कोऑर्डिनेशन को तो यही इसका अर्थ दिखेगा मुझे. ठीक है, सो कोऑर्डिनेशन का मतलब क्या है? कोऑर्डिनेशन इन द टर्म्स ऑफ बायोलॉजी. ठीक है, देर आर वेरियस स्टिमुलाई अराउंड अस एंड आवर डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग अगेंस्ट इट. ठीक है, सो to respond against any kind of stimuli they are working together. Which are working together? Our different body organs are working together. ठीक है, this is called as coordination. For a proper response to stimulus, many organs in the body should work together. The working together of the various organ in an organism is produces the proper responses to stimulus is called coordination. So in very simple words I am going to explain it. ठीक है, in our body there are various body organs and these body organs are working together to respond against any kind of stimuli. While they are working together, ठीक है, to respond against any kind of stimuli, then the concept is called as coordination. Then we can say that they are working in a coordinated way. ठीक है, now we have to discuss about how our body controls and coordinates various body organs. ठीक है, to respond against any kind of stimuli. ठीक है, we have to discuss these topics. So in case of the humans, initially I am talking about the humans. In case of the humans or especially in case of the animals, the control and coordination takes place by two different systems. तो यानी कि आपकी बॉडी में दो अलग अलग सिस्टम हैं जो लगातार कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन की प्रोसेस में हेल्प कर रहे हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर दीज? द फर्स्ट वन सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड नर्वस सिस्टम, एंड आई थिंक यू हैव studied about it in the class 9th in the tissue chapter. And the second system is called endocrine system. Endocrine system includes various endocrine glands and their hormones and their secretions. ठीक है, combinedly these two are called as neuroendocrine system. ठीक है, nervous system and endocrine system combinedly these are called as neuroendocrine system, which are responsible for control and coordination in animals. While in case of the plants, ठीक है, only chemical substances are responsible which are helping in the coordination, control and coordination process, and these hormones are called as plant hormones or phytohormones. ठीक है, now I am coming to the point, coordination in animals, how the coordination occurs in animals. As you know that there are two different systems which are working together in case of the human beings or in case of the animals. The first one is nervous system and the second one is endocrine system. So initially I am talking about the nervous system. So I want to tell you about what is nervous system and what are its various components. So nervous system is the system, ठीक है, which includes brain, spinal cord, neurons and various receptors. ठीक है, now initially I want to talk to you that what are receptors, कि ये receptors क्या होते हैं. So receptors are the basically, as we know that as a human being you know very well that we have various sense organs. Now it's very simple. If I will ask to you, you will definitely answer me, sir. We have 5 sense organs. We have nose, we have tongue, we have skin, we have eyes, and one left: skin, nose, tongue, eyes, and eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. ठीक है, and each of the sense organs are helping us to detect any kind of stimuli. ये सारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स हमें जो क्या करते हैं, जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के आपके स्टिमुलाई हैं इनको सेंस करने में मदद करते हैं, इनको आइडेंटिफाई करने में मदद करते हैं. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आर रिसेप्टर्स? रिसेप्टर्स आर बेसिकली वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द सेल्स which are present at the sense organs and they are receiving the stimulus एंड पास द मैसेज टू द, ये स्टिमुलस को रिसीव करते हैं एंड स्टिमुलस के अकॉर्डिंग जो सिग्नल है आइदर दे आर पासिंग टू द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और दे आर पासिंग इट टू द ब्रेन. तो आपके पास डिफरेंट रिसेप्टर्स हैं जो डिफरेंट तरह के सिग्नल्स को कैच करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आइज़ आपका पहला सेंस ऑर्गन है, तो आइज़ के पास फोटो रिसेप्टर होते हैं. दीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सेंसेशन ऑफ लाइट. सिमिलरली कान, फोन जो वर्ड है कान से रिलेटेड है, आपके ईयर से रिलेटेड है. फोनो रिसेप्टर्स आर प्रेजेंटेड एयर एंड दीज आर हेल्पिंग इन द डिटेक्शन ऑफ साउंड. Olfactory receptors are present in the nose and they are helping in the detection of smell. ठीक है, gustatory receptors are present in the tongue and they are providing a sense of food. ठीक है, और taste, we can say that simply. ठीक है, last is tango receptors, और इसको हम थिग्मो रिसेप्टर्स भी बोलते हैं बेटा. टेंगो रिसेप्टर और थिग्मो रिसेप्टर्स आर प्रेजेंट एट योर स्किन एंड दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ सेंसेशन ऑफ टच. So there are 5 receptors. In eyes, photoreceptors. In ears, phonoreceptors. In tongue, it is gustatory receptor. In skin, this is thigmoreceptor. And in nose, this is olfactory receptors. ठीक है, and what are effectors? While receptors are analyzing or they are just receiving the signal and they are sending it to the brain or spinal cord. When brain or spinal cord are analyzing the condition and they are giving some order, and according to their order our various body structures are responding. So the organs or the muscles or the glands which are responding against any kind of stimuli are called as effectors. ठीक है, now we have to discuss a lot about the neurons. What are neurons, what are their structures? ठीक है, and what are their functions? Later on in the next video I will discuss it in detail. So before it I just want to show you what is our nervous system. You will observe here our nervous system. It has various parts. ठीक है, brain is the part of the nervous system, spinal cord is the part of the nervous system. Along with that we have peripheral nervous system. ठीक है, where there are 2 types of nerves, cranial nerves and some other kinds of nerves. ठीक है, and spinal nerves and cranial nerves. There are 2 types of nerves are there in the peripheral nervous system. And the third type of the nervous system is called as autonomic nervous system. या autonomous nervous system, it is of 2 different types, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Later on we will discuss in detail about them. So I am not going to discuss right now in detail. So I am just informing you what is nervous system. So before starting the concept of nervous system, In tomorrow's video I will discuss the structure of the neuron, ठीक है, and the function of the neuron and its various types, ठीक है. I think this is enough for today. We will once again meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you and bye.